Hola chicos, this is our third podcast. So today we're going to talk about comments with pronouns. So in the last few lessons we learned about how to form informal and formal comments in Spanish. So today we're going to learn about how to use them with pronouns as well. So let's have a quick review about how to form informal comments. So first, to form informal comments, in the you form we need to use the third person if it's affirmative. For example, we use the verb reciclar, so the third person singular is going to be recicla. We're going to use that one. Recicla las latas, recycle the cans. To make a negative, we form using placing the no first. Then we need to go to the yo form of the verb, so that will be no reciclo. Then we drop the o and we need to add the opposite and plural ending, so no recicles las latas. To form formal comments, we need to go to the yo form of the verb, we drop the o and we just add the opposite singular ending, so no recicle, in this case, no recicle las latas. That will be you sorry, you ma'am, don't recycle or recycle the metal cans. But in English, most of the time we say it also recycle it or recycle them. So in Spanish we do that too. And let's talk first about the pronouns. So for it or them we usually use lo if it's masculine, or la if it's feminine singular, and los if it's plural masculine, or las if it's plural feminine. So we're going to focus on those during this lesson. So as we said before, if you want to say in the informal way to your friend, recycle the metal cans, and then you say recycle them, in Spanish we're going to say recicla, and then las latas is feminine plural, so we're going to use the pronoun las. Now here's a detail: in the Spanish, when the comments are affirmative, you have to attach the pronoun to the comments, reciclalas. And then once you attach it, you need to count 3 syllables backwards, starting from the end, and add an accent. In this case, it's going to fall into the I. So reciclalas. To make the negative, it's a little different. So we need to always place the no first, and then we add the pronoun. So we're going to have no, las, and then we have the comment, no las recicles, don't recycle them. So in Spanish we literally say don't them recycle. It's a little funny, right? But that's the way the Spanish structure works. Let's do a few examples. So if you have, for example, pick up the trash, notice in this case trash is singular, so we have la basura, and pick up is recoger. Let's use the informal way. So recoger, we need to go to the third person, that will be recoja. In la basura we have a singular, that will be la, feminine. So as I mentioned before, we need to attach to the command. So we have recoge la, or recoja la. And remember, the accent's very, very important. We need to count 3 syllables backwards. In this case, it's going to end the O. Recójala. Recójala. Or recógela if it's informal. If it's negative, we can say no la recojas. No la recojas. So please remember those things. If it's affirmative, we attach the pronoun to the command and we count 3 syllables backwards and we add an accent. If it's negative, we place the no first, then the pronoun, and then the command. You don't need to worry about any accent at all. If you have any question, feel free to send me a message to our website or just ask me during class. We're going to continue practicing. Thank you so much and see you soon.